add some cucumber, the paste cucumber in the bowl. It is good for weight loss as well as it promotes anti. I've made the paste very thick, that is why tomato it is really watery, whereas the cucumber is still, you can see it is still so watery. So my recommendation is add oil, and we will add this is vegan mayo. If you read its instruction behind it, suitable for vegan, and this will enhance the taste. However, it is not healthy, but still it is good for the taste. So I will add it. See, this is mayo. I don't recommend taking a lot, but I think we can. It will enhance the taste once you eat it. It is good. It will enhance the taste. It will make it more smoothie. It is more smoothie. I recommend it. I think I will break down the cost. So one cucumber cost me 10 rupees. Similarly, two tomatoes, they cost me 10 rupees. If you can get 2 tomatoes at 10 rupees, this table of peanut oil, if you use it every day, I think the cost would be less than 10 rupees per month. So why do we go there? This sauce is also is approx. I'll give you the exact figure right now. This is exactly, if you can see, 90 rupees, and how much we used? 2 tablespoons. So even if we use it, I think it will go more than 3 months. So the cost is basically these two and the bread, which is 18 rupees. I get burger bread in Jaipur, and this is 20 rupees, 38 rupees. Plus if we add some taxes and charges, it is